Hello friends, welcome back to Adventure Life. Myself Ahmed Lukman. I hope you have noticed that I have changed the channel name. So today I'm going to show you how to get WhatsApp in your laptop or PC. First of all, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe and so take a browser and search WhatsApp web. This is your barcode. Now take WhatsApp in your phone and click menu, then click WhatsApp web. So you get a QR code scanner. Now just scan that barcode in your laptop. So it loads and WhatsApp will be in laptop. Bye. That's it. If you have liked the video, please give a subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye. See you in next video.